Hi, hope you're all sketching. Many youngsters, many cartoon enthusiasts, especially beginners, face problems in sketching human figures, especially poses. They come up with questions about improving their drawing skills. They ask me about techniques to improve their drawing skills while sketching human figures. Let me tell you, it's not just with beginners. Many professionals also face problems while sketching complicated poses. Uh, though there is no shortcut to improve your drawing skills, one technique which I can suggest is live sketching. Live sketching is about capturing a pose from a live scene. It could be someone at home or at the office or in public places like markets, railway stations, temples, anywhere. You can pick a pose which is interesting and try to sketch it. Speed is very important because you need to capture the essence of a pose. It's more like gesture drawing. You don't have to focus on the details. You have to ignore the details. Try to capture the pose in 1 minute or 30 seconds or even 10 or 5 seconds. Initially, you could face some trouble. You might feel uncomfortable sketching from a live scene, but gradually you will improve your drawing skills and you will speed up also. And if you're not comfortable drawing from a live scene, what you can do is you can capture the photo and use the photo to sketch a pose. The focus should be on the line of action or the essence of the pose. Once you start sketching regularly, it becomes a habit. It's a good habit to have. And gradually you'll start sketching more poses and they become a part of your muscle memory. Whenever you want to draw some human figure, these sketches will come handy. It's a great habit to develop, and every artist should keep sketching regularly. Whenever you are sketching, you should be able to observe the pose, look at the pose, look for the line of action, look for the body language. Even when someone is standing, there is a stance, there is an attitude. So you have to observe all these minute details. Then you should be able to add a life to the sketch. Only when you observe these nuances, you'll be able to add the life to the sketch. What you can do is you can keep a sketchbook, start sketching regularly. Whenever you go out, whenever you are at home, whenever you find some interesting pose, try to capture it. Forget the details, just focus on the pose only. Now the magical part. Once you capture the pose and the pose is ready, you can put any character in that pose. Because I have drawn a sketch of Muslim person here as seen in the photo, but you can also put any other person in this pose. You can place Virat Kohli, you can place a sick person, you can place a poor person, any celebrity or sports person or a rich person, anyone, because the important part is the pose. You can also put a Hindu priest in place of this Muslim person. It also gives you a message because we are all burdened with lots of labels. The labels of religion, region, language, caste, creed, even educational qualification and the financial status. We have so many labels and we pretend to be different from someone else. But basically we are all equal, just like this pose. All these labels should not make much difference to what we are. We are all humans. Maybe that's the universal truth which many people don't try to understand or embrace it. Hope world will be a better place. Please keep sketching. I'll be back with more videos. Please take care. Bye bye.